Garlic for wrinkles? Have you ever tried it? I know it might sound a little unusual, but garlic actually has some fantastic benefits when it comes to skincare, especially for anti-aging. It might surprise you, but the natural properties of garlic make it a really valuable ingredient for reducing wrinkles and keeping the skin looking young and fresh. Hello, friends! How are you today? I hope you're doing well and feeling great. I'm so happy you're here with me again. So today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-aging garlic cream that's completely natural, simple to make, and very effective. Let's get started. To prepare this cream, we're going to need about 8 cloves of garlic. Now, garlic is rich in vitamins like A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, C, and E. It also contains important minerals that are great for your skin. One of the most powerful compounds in garlic is allicin. This is what gives garlic that strong smell. But it's also what helps prevent the formation of wrinkles and even reduces existing lines. It also has anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects, which means it can help calm the skin and prevent infections or breakouts. Now take about 250 milliliters of water, which is roughly 1 cup, and pour it into a saucepan. Add your peeled garlic cloves to the pan. Place it on the stove and cook the garlic for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want it to become soft so it's easier to mash later on. While that's cooking, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy natural beauty and wellness recipes. There's so much more I want to share with you, and your support means the world to me. Thank you so much. Now, once the garlic is nice and soft, take it off the heat and let it cool down. Once it has cooled, mash the garlic into a smooth paste. And while you're here, let me know in the comments, from which city or country are you watching? I love hearing from all of you around the world. Garlic can truly help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, especially on the face and neck. It's been used for centuries in natural remedies for a reason. Now take the mashed garlic and strain it through a fine sieve to remove any solid bits. We want a smooth texture. Isn't it amazing how much power is packed into such a small ingredient? Garlic's natural healing and skincare benefits have been appreciated for ages. And again, thank you so much for being here and supporting my videos. It really motivates me to keep creating more for you. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This will help us get a creamy, smooth texture. Mix it well so there are no lumps. Now put the mixture back on low heat. Stir it continuously until it starts to thicken into a creamy form. This part might take a few minutes, but just be patient and keep stirring. Once it becomes creamy, remove it from the heat. Now divide the garlic cream into 2 equal parts. We're going to make 2 versions of this cream. To the first half, add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil is very nourishing and works great for dry or aging skin. If almond oil doesn't suit your skin, feel free to use any other oil that works for you, like jojoba oil, coconut oil, or even argan oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is amazing for soothing the skin and giving it a refreshing, tightening effect. And once again, friends, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and keeps you updated with all my future recipes. Next, add 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil. This will give the cream a calming scent and help you feel relaxed when you apply it. You can also use any essential oil you love, like rose, tea tree, or frankincense. Just go with what your skin enjoys. Now mix everything together until it's well combined. Transfer the cream into a small glass jar. A dark glass jar is best because it helps preserve the natural ingredients. Your feedback is really important to me, so please leave me a comment below and let me know how this cream worked for you. You can store it in the fridge for up to 7 days. Just make sure to keep it sealed and clean. To use, apply the cream to your face and neck. You can even use it gently around the eyes if you're careful. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Use this cream about 3 times a week. With regular use, you should start seeing visible results in just a week. Now let's move on and prepare the second cream. This one uses honey, which is fantastic for moisturizing the skin and preventing wrinkles. Take 2 teaspoons of natural honey. Make sure it's pure and unprocessed for the best results. Mix it well until smooth. Now add your favorite essential oil. I personally love orange and cinnamon. It smells so warm and comforting. And just a quick note. These creams don't smell like garlic at all. Even if you don't use essential oils, the cooking process and other ingredients help neutralize the garlic smell. Store this second cream in the fridge too. It'll stay fresh for about 7 days. To use it, apply to your face and neck. Lie down and let your skin rest with the cream on for about an hour. Then rinse off gently with lukewarm water. Use this one 3 to 4 times a week for best results. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Someone you know might find it really helpful too. And one last reminder. Everyone's skin is different, so please consult your doctor before trying any new skin remedy, especially if you have sensitive skin or any skin conditions. Stay healthy, stay beautiful, and thank you so much for watching.